Peking duck, with its crispy, glistening skin and tender, flavorful meat, is more than just a dish. It's a culinary masterpiece, a testament to the artistry of Chinese cuisine. This iconic dish has captivated food lovers for centuries. The mere mention of Peking duck evokes images of elaborate banquets and a rich culinary tradition. But what is it about Peking duck that makes it so special? Perhaps it's the meticulous preparation, the interplay of textures and flavors, or the deep-rooted history. Whatever the reason, Peking duck remains a symbol of Chinese culinary excellence. The roots of Peking duck can be traced back to the Yuan Dynasty, a period in Chinese history marked by the reign of Kublai Khan. It was during this time, in the 13th century, that roast duck emerged as a favoured dish in the imperial kitchens. Records suggest that the dish originated in the city of Nanjing, then known as Jiangkang, the capital of the Yuan Dynasty. The dish was initially prepared differently from the Peking duck we know today. Ducks were roasted in ovens fueled by wood from jujube trees, giving the meat a distinctive flavour. This method, known as hanging oven roast duck, laid the foundation for the Peking duck that would later captivate taste buds across the globe. The Yuan dynasty eventually fell, and with its decline, the centre of power shifted north to the city of Beijing, taking the beloved roast duck recipe along with it. In Beijing, the dish continued to grace the tables of the elite, becoming a fixture in the imperial court during the Ming and Qing dynasties. Under the Ming dynasty, Peking duck truly came into its own. The dish earned its now famous name and became a favourite of the emperors, served at lavish banquets and important state occasions. The imperial chefs further refined the roasting techniques, experimenting with different methods to achieve the perfect balance of crispy skin and succulent meat. Word of this delectable dish spread beyond the palace walls, captivating the taste buds of poets, scholars, and commoners alike. Restaurants specializing in Peking duck began to appear throughout Beijing, each striving to perfect the recipe and attract discerning diners. One establishment, Bian Yi Fang, established in 1416, stands today as a testament to the enduring popularity of Peking duck. During the Qing dynasty, Peking duck reached the pinnacle of its fame. Empress Dowager Cixi, known for her extravagant tastes, was particularly fond of the dish, further solidifying its status as a culinary treasure. The Empress's patronage ensured that Peking duck remained a symbol of luxury and refinement, a dish fit for royalty and discerning palates. Section 4. The Art of Perfection. The preparation of Peking duck is a meticulous process, a testament to the dedication and skill of Chinese chefs. It begins with the selection of the duck itself. Traditionally, white-feathered Peking ducks are used, prized for their tender meat and thin skin. Once the duck is selected, the preparation process begins. The duck is meticulously cleaned and then inflated with air to separate the skin from the fat. The duck's skin is then glazed with a mixture of maltose syrup and water. After glazing, the duck is hung to dry. The roasting process is a delicate dance of heat and timing. The duck is slowly roasted, ensuring the skin becomes crispy while the meat remains tender. Section 5. A symbol of China. Peking duck is more than just a dish in China. It's a cultural icon, a symbol of the country's rich culinary heritage and hospitality. For centuries, it has been a dish served at important occasions, from family celebrations to state banquets, a testament to its enduring appeal and significance. The presentation of Peking duck is an integral part of the experience. The roasted duck is often brought to the table whole, allowing diners to admire the glistening, crispy skin before it is expertly carved tableside. The duck is then served with thin pancakes, spring onions, cucumber slices, and a sweet bean sauce, creating a symphony of flavors and textures with each bite. The act of sharing Peking duck is also deeply ingrained in Chinese culture. It's a communal dish meant to be enjoyed with family and friends, strengthening bonds and creating lasting memories. The shared experience of wrapping the crispy duck skin and savory fillings in a delicate pancake fosters a sense of togetherness and convivial dining. Section 6. A timeless classic. From its humble beginnings in the imperial kitchens of the Yuan Dynasty to its status as a global culinary icon, Peking duck has captivated taste buds and imaginations for centuries. The meticulous preparation, the interplay of textures and flavors, and the cultural significance all contribute to its enduring appeal. Peking duck is a testament to the artistry of Chinese cuisine, a dish that embodies both tradition and innovation. It's a dish that has transcended time and borders, enjoyed by emperors and commoners alike, and its story continues to be written with every bite. So, next time you have the opportunity to savor this culinary masterpiece, take a moment to appreciate the rich history and cultural significance baked into every crispy, delicious bite.